Hi Blake, this is a quick review of the SEO on the site. I don't think that you really need to do any of this, but Tammy said I should go over it with you because she said clients almost always have questions about it. So that is this Yoast SEO tool you will see here on each of the products. So there are these fields here for focus key phrase and meta description. And SEO title. So what she is telling me is, let's see, I've moved over to a product here where she has filled these fields out. So focus key phrase, she says this really is not needed, that it is a Yoast thing. But again, she said a lot of folks like to have all of these fields filled out. She says this isn't going to really make any difference, but it looks like she has just pretty much used the title here. The SEO title does matter. We've got this set up as a template so that it will pull the title and the page name into this automatically. So this is set up on all of the products. The only reason you would want to edit this is if you don't think that those two things are descriptive enough. Like, you know, maybe it's important to you that it say, I don't know, the corrosion protection or something in there that seems like it's important that's not in the title, then you could go ahead and wipe out this thing and put in your own text here. The meta descriptions, she says, is pretty much worthless. You do not need to do this. Google prefers to pull the product description from the actual product page. She said it's possible that some really outdated and underused search engines like maybe Ask Jeeves or DuckDuckGo might pull something from here, but otherwise this is not really worth the effort either. The thing that is going to get you the most bang for your buck, and unfortunately it's the most tedious item, is to go through the media library and add an alt description to each one of the images in the media library. Now we would recommend that you only do this for items that are used. So you can see here that this one's been uploaded to, and it tells you what product it's on. Whereas if you come to some of these others, it doesn't look like it's being used anywhere. So, you know, she did a couple here where she filled them out. You know, pretty much you can use the title of the product. There are some where it might be useful to update that, because here we have 05 to 09, and you would probably want to make that 2005 to 2009 so that it reads as a date. But again, there's no uploaded to like there is on this one. So since it's not being used, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. It's adding alt tags to these images, any of them that are used on a product page, that's going to do the most for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.